Hi students, welcome back to my channel MBBS with Dr. Ritu. I am Dr. Rituparna. In this video, you will be able to understand the muscles of the pectoral region. So keep watching the video. The first muscle of the pectoral region that we will be discussing about is Pectoralis Major muscle. So whenever you are writing any short note or even if you are studying any muscle, you should always study any muscle under the 6 headings. First of all, introduction, the origin of the muscle, insertion of the muscle, the nerve supply of the muscle, what are the actions, and obviously if there are any clinical anatomy related to that muscle or that part of the body. The pectoralis major muscle is the largest muscle of this region. As we can see that it has a clavicular head and sternocostal head. Origin of the pectoralis major muscle is like a thin fan shaped, and it arises from 2 heads. The first head is small clavicular head and large sternocostal head. So the small clavicular head, it arises from medial half of anterior surface of clavicle. Now see, this is the clavicle bone, this is the sternum, that means this is the midline. Anything towards the midline is medial, whether away from the midline is lateral. So what we can see that towards the medial on the anterior surface we are getting the clavicular head of the pectoralis major muscle. Next, sternocostal head, it arises from 3 parts. The first one is lateral half of the anterior surface of sternum up to 6th costal cartilage. The next part is medial parts of 2nd to 6th costal cartilages, and finally from the aponeurosis of the external oblique muscle of abdomen. First of all, lateral half, obviously this is the sternum, so this is the medial, away from the midline is the lateral. So lateral half, yes, we can see the origin up to 6th rib, and obviously these are the medial parts of the 2nd to 6th ribs. Okay, finally we will get over here the external oblique muscle aponeurosis also.